Hello guys, today we're going to visit a restaurant called McDonald's, also known as MacD. Did you know that MacD was founded by the two brothers called Marcus and Richard? And did you also know that the first or original McDonald's was found in San Bruno, California? Did you also know that McDonald's has locations in over 100 countries and more than 38,000 restaurants around the world, serving 69 million people every day? Wow, that's a lot of people. So let's show you guys around. That's where you can order the food, and because of COVID, they have these plastic things. That's the trash can. Now you see that screen moving? That's where the menu is. That's where you can get your drinks and straws and utensils. That's all the drinks. You just have to push the button. That's ice that you see that as clear. That's where kids can have birthday parties, but because of COVID, it's closed. Yeah, that's where the kids can play around. It's very big and very fun. That's where you can sit. Chicken burger costs $1. One costs $1. Filet fish is a burger with fish, literally. Now you see those workers that are like making our food, and then they on the receipts they have these numbers. Or for example, my number is 390, and then they call 390, and then we just pick up our order. Did you know that the Big Mac is the biggest burger and also known as the popular one? Do you know what Big Mac is? So it's like the bun on top, and then the patty, then some lettuce, and then cheese, and then there's this bottom part. Yes, you see that one? That's really big. This is the Happy Meal. The kids can get. There's also a toy included. So you can get chicken nuggets, burgers, french fries, drinks, and coffee. And the list goes on and on and on. Well, my personal favorite is the filet fish. There are some toy choices. Kids can pick them out. And did you know if you buy a Happy Meal, 1 penny goes to the children's hospital? That's the drive-through. So there are 2 windows. One you order, one you pay, and then that window you can get your food from. Yes. And they're also labeled. There are 2 pickup windows. And bye guys. So if you like this video, subscribe.